Every click, photo, and comment you make online creates a digital version of you, a ghost in the machine, built from data. This ghost isn't supernatural. It's a detailed portrait of your habits, interests, and even secrets, pieced together from your online activity. Most of us don't realize how much we reveal: a holiday photo here, a cafe check-in there, a new hobby group joined. But all these fragments combine to form a surprisingly complete picture of your life. Imagine a detective who never leaves their desk. Just a computer and internet connection are enough to learn where you live, who your friends are, and what you do. This isn't science fiction, it's reality. The information is often freely given, scattered across social media, forums, and old accounts. The real skill is knowing where to look for the open doors and windows we've left ajar. Osint, open source intelligence, is the art of finding and analyzing this public information. Journalists use it to uncover stories, but hackers and scammers use it to exploit people. Your digital ghost, once harmless, can be turned against you in ways you never imagined. Every search, purchase, and like adds to your digital biography. This video is about understanding who can read that biography and how. We'll explore how Osint works, the risks it poses, and most importantly, how you can protect your digital self. Let's dive in and learn how to take back control of your story. Before we go further, let's talk ethics. Osint is a powerful tool. It can protect or harm. Used responsibly, it helps find missing persons and hold the powerful accountable. Used maliciously, it invades privacy and enables harassment. This video is for education and self-protection, not for stalking or illegal activity. Using these techniques to track or harass is unethical and often illegal. Think of this knowledge like learning how burglars operate, not to become one, but to secure your home. Our goal is to show you where your digital weak points are so you can reinforce them. Use this information to defend, not attack. Let's proceed with respect for privacy and a commitment to ethical use. So, what is Osint? It stands for Open Source Intelligence, publicly available information anyone can access. It's not hacking, it's about finding data hiding in plain sight. Social media profiles, public records, blogs, and forums are all sources. Even photos can reveal hidden metadata, like location and time. Osint is the practice of collecting these scattered bits and connecting them into meaningful intelligence. Think of it as looking through open windows, not breaking in. The real power comes from aggregation. A single username might seem harmless, but if it's reused across platforms, it can link your anonymous and real-life identities. For example, your gaming username might connect to your Twitter, which links to your Instagram, which shows your workplace. Osint is the art of finding these pieces and assembling the puzzle. It's legal, but it can be invasive if misused. Understanding Osint helps you see how much of your life is truly public. Let's see how these techniques work in practice. Osint tools are surprisingly accessible. The most basic is Google, but experts use advanced search operators, Google dorking, to find specific files or keywords. Social media is a goldmine. Public profiles reveal names, jobs, locations, and more. Tools can automatically scan and aggregate this data. Username reconnaissance is another key technique. Tools like What's My Name or Sherlock search hundreds of sites for reused usernames. The Wayback Machine lets you view deleted website content. EXIF data viewers extract hidden info from images like GPS coordinates. There are tools for analyzing public Wi-Fi or searching data breaches. The toolkit is vast, but the principle is simple. Find public data, connect it, and build a profile. Let's see how this plays out in a real-world example. Imagine a hacker starts with just a username, JDBakes22. Using a tool like What's My Name, they find this username on Instagram and Pinterest. On Instagram, they see cake photos, a name tag reading Jane, and a company logo. A post mentions her 5-year anniversary at Innovate Corp in London. Now they know her first name, employer, and city. On LinkedIn, searching for Jane at Innovate Corp in London reveals her full name, job title, and work history. Her profile photo matches Instagram, confirming her identity. Google searches turn up a charity bake sale article mentioning her neighborhood and a marathon runner list revealing her age. From one username, the hacker uncovers Jane's full name, employer, city, neighborhood, hobbies, and associates. No hacking required, just public information. This is the power and danger of Osint. It's a reminder, what seems anonymous rarely is. Your digital breadcrumbs can lead straight to your door. So how can this information be misused? Jane's example shows how Osint can be misused. Scammers can craft convincing phishing emails using personal details, making you more likely to fall for traps. Stalkers can discover your routines, favorite places, and even your home address. This digital tracking can spill into the real world, threatening your safety and peace of mind. Identity theft is another risk. Criminals can impersonate you, open accounts, or answer security questions using details you've shared online. Reclaiming your identity after a breach is difficult and stressful. On a larger scale, companies and political groups use your data to target you with personalized ads and propaganda, subtly influencing your choices. Your digital ghost is analyzed and used to manipulate your behavior, often without your knowledge. The dark side of Osint isn't just about criminals, it's about a system that profits from your data. But you can fight back. You can take control of your digital footprint. Start by reviewing your social media privacy settings. Set profiles to private so only approved people see your posts. Search your own name and usernames to see what's public and remove anything you're uncomfortable with. Contact site admins to delete sensitive info if needed. Be careful with photos. Scrub GPS metadata before posting to avoid revealing your location. Use different usernames for different platforms, especially for sensitive or anonymous accounts. A password manager can help you keep track of unique usernames and strong passwords. Think of these steps as locking your digital doors and windows. Regularly audit your online presence to catch new leaks. Don't overshare. Every detail adds to your digital ghost. Be mindful of what you post about others too. Small changes make a big difference in your privacy. The goal isn't to disappear, but to be deliberate about what you share. Let's look at some advanced privacy strategies. Ready to go further? Start by opting out of data broker sites. Services like Delete Me or Canary can help automate this. Be alert to social engineering. Don't trust urgent messages or suspicious links, even if they seem legit. Always verify requests by contacting companies directly. Use privacy-focused tools. DuckDuckGo for searches, Brave or Firefox for browsing, and Tor for sensitive activity. These tools block trackers and disguise your online movements. For extra security, use a VPN to encrypt your connection and mask your IP address. A VPN makes it much harder for anyone to trace your location or activity. Combine these tools for a strong privacy shield. Remember, no tool is perfect. Layer your defenses, stay proactive, and keep learning. Digital privacy isn't a one-time fix. It's an ongoing process. Regularly review your privacy settings and stay updated on new threats. Follow tech news and privacy advocates to stay informed. If a service you use is breached, change your password immediately and watch for phishing attempts. Encourage friends and family to practice good privacy habits. One weak link can expose your network. Ask not to be tagged or checked in without your consent. Build a culture of privacy together. Don't let fear keep you offline. The internet is a powerful tool for connection and learning. Engage with it safely and confidently by taking proactive steps. You can control your digital ghost and protect your story. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more digital safety tips and share this knowledge. The more people who understand privacy, the safer we all become. Stay vigilant and tend to your digital garden with care.